Okay, students, welcome back to class. Welcome back to class. Now, what do you have on the board? You have the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula. So, what we want to do now is to have our quadratic formula, which we always call the almighty formula. We want to get it from the step we just used now for completing the square method. So we have the quadratic formula, and okay, let's continue. I need to put something up quickly. The quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. All right. Okay. That's the quadratic formula. So let's see how we can work with this. How we can use the method of completing the square to develop or create a quadratic formula. Are we ready for this? Now, to develop your quadratic formula, all you need to do is to first get the general formula of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, trying to get the right word to use to construct your quadratic equation, or derive it. Yeah, better derive the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula from the completing the square method. We want to derive the quadratic formula using the completing the square method. Okay, let's start quickly. You have to be fast with this. Step 1 says we have to divide through by a, because this x squared has to be what? Has to be a constant, has to be having a coefficient of 1. It must have a coefficient of 1. So we have something like this quickly. Okay, so divide through by a, so a will cancel a definitely. So we have x squared plus bx over a plus c over a equals to 0. So this is the first step. The second step says take the constant term to the right hand side. This is the constant term. We take it to the right hand side. So we are going to have x squared plus bx over a equals to minus c over a. Okay, c over a. So the next step says we are to what? We are to square half of the coefficient of x rather, and add to both sides. So let me clear the board quickly and do that. We already have x squared plus bx over a equals to minus c over a in the last page. So square half, so half of b over a now, that is half of this as we do before, half of b over a all squared, and that will give us b over what? Over 2a all squared. So this is what we had to both sides. That's what we had to both sides. So that means we're going to have x squared plus bx over a, okay, plus b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. Okay, so that is what we have. The next steps tells us to simplify the right hand side. We want to simplify this right hand side that we have here. So quickly we can do that. Simply we can do that and say minus c over a is equal to b times b will give us minus c over a plus b squared all over 2a will be 2 squared will give us 4 and a squared is a squared. Okay, so we have minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So we still need to simplify that further. We have x squared, right? We have x squared plus b over 2a plus bx over a plus bx over a. That's the problem of just moving. Bx over a plus what do we add to both sides? b over 2a then all squared is equal to, when we have on the right hand side, is it b squared over, yes, b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. When you are getting the LCM is 4a squared. We wrote 4a, that's why I made a mistake. Okay, we wrote 4a. The LCM is 4a squared. That's the disadvantage of having a video like this. If it is a live class, a student would have raised up the hand and tell me what is wrong, so I would have seen my error. Okay, 4a squared, so this will give me b squared now, because 4a squared in 4a squared will give me 1 times b squared will give me b squared, then minus a in 4a squared will give me 4a. A here in 4a squared will give me 4a. That is, a we cancel 1a here, we have 4a. 4a times c will give me 4ac. So we have b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, that's nice. Now the next thing is to simplify, to factorize the left hand side, which you can have as x and then plus b over 2a then all squared. Okay, all squared. So we can square root both sides. And don't forget plus or minus on this side. So when you square root both sides, you can cancel out. Square root cancel square. Then we have x plus b over 2a. Let me clear the board. X plus b over 2a equals to plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, don't forget the square root covers everything here. Now it covers everything for now. Now when you now find the square root of the denominator, which is a perfect square, you have square root of b squared minus 4ac, then all over, now the square root of 4, the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of a squared is a, so we're going to have 2a here, 2a, okay, 2a. So when you have that, this is x plus b over 2a here as well. Okay, so when you have this now, you move to the next step to simplify further. So we're going to have x squared is equal to minus b over 2a minus b over 2a plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and that will give us what we have now, which is the LCM is 2a, and then we have 2a in 2a, that is 2a here in 2a here is 1, and then 1 times minus b will give us minus b, then your plus or minus, then 2a also in 2a here we have 1, so 1 times the whole of the square root, we have the whole of the square root, which is b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac. So this gives us the quadratic formula, So what we have now is the quadratic formula. Let me write it out. This is the quadratic formula. Okay, this is the quadratic formula. Let's go. Okay, so with that we have the quadratic formula. Now that is the quadratic formula. X, no, we are writing x squared. No, this is x, sorry, this is x. Oh, life class is very important. This is x here, this is x, and this is x. So x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a over 2a. I hope there is no mistake here. So minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So if you are given a quadratic equation, let me clean this. If you are given a quadratic equation, all you need to do is to get the coefficients. Maybe that will be in the next video. If you are given something like 2x squared plus, let me use minus 8x plus 24, or let's say plus 2 equals to 0. Let me use plus 2, yeah, plus 2. So when you have something like this, all you need to do to use the quadratic formula, all you need to do is to note that this is your a, the coefficient of your x squared is your a, the coefficient of x squared is your a, the coefficient of x is your b, and the constant term is your c. So it's as simple as that. You have a, b, c. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 2, and b is equal to what? Is minus 8. Take note of that sign. B is minus 8 and c is equal to 2. So all you need to do is to put all those values, put b where b belongs to, put A where A belongs to, and put C where C belongs to. So when you do that and you simplify further, you'll be able to get the value of your x, what your x is, and you're going to be having two values because you have plus or minus. So that is a quadratic formula for you, a quadratic formula, and simply you call it the almighty formula. I don't know why they do that, but I'm sure there must be a reason why it is almighty formula. So that is the proof of the quadratic formula and the derivation from the completing the square method. Go through the method again, go through how we have created this, and see how you can do it on your own. Practice makes perfection. You cannot be perfect if you do not practice. You can say I know it in my mind, but if I don't put it to practice, I may simply not get it. So what you do is what you know, not what you know is what you do. So please go over the video and check over and over again and see how it helps you to build your own formula by yourself. With this, now we say bye bye for now from this video. Bye.